So let's continue now, and we will learn how we can change the oscillator's wave shape.
Wave shape. Wave shape is like the form of the wave.
Yes, we started, the first wave was a sine wave, which has the shape which is very close to a circle.
Like a C, like a C.
Yes, it is a very round shape. So this is the sine wave shape, and now we will learn how we can change it into a square. So this will be the square wave shape. Okay?
Yes.
And we will learn also how to use and to create a sawtooth oscillator, which looks like this. This has the sound very nice.
Very different sound.
Yes, every wave shape has a very different sound. And also the last one, we will learn how to use and create a triangle wave.
All right.
Okay, so don't save. And we can use the same session. What I'm going to do is press this, and this will just clear, so we can start fresh from this window.
Okay, so
okay,
we have to type everything all over again?
So we don't need to type everything, because we have created already the audio context.
Mm-hmm.
So what we need to do is we can use this audio context to create a new oscillator, and we can just reuse our code by pressing the up.
So we'll now create a new oscillator, so we'll call it a different name?
We don't need to call it a different name, we can use the same name, and we can even omit now the var keyword, because we don't need it, because we already have a variable named oscillator.
Okay.
We just create a new oscillator instance in it. So yes, now we have a new oscillator node, and we can see here that this is the type of this oscillator is a sine. So now let's just connect it again, and we don't need to type, just press the up key, and we will connect it, and after we connected it, we can use it to start. Okay, so this is the oscillator. I will change it volume, and now we will use the type property and change it. So let's write oscillator dot type. Yes, and if you'll press enter now, you will see that we will get the type of the oscillator, it's sine, and we can change it by assigning it a new name, like a square.
Like this,
yes.
Right? Square.
Yes. And yes. Now it is changed into a square wave shape.
Yes, it's weird how it sounds like the last wave is already sounding.
Yes, it is sounding like this because the only difference between a square wave and a sine wave is added harmony. Yes, it has more overtones. So you have the basic fundamental tone that we have in the sine, but it has a little different texture to it.
Alright.
So let's try to change it now into a sawtooth.
Like this? No, a small t.
Small t, yes, like this. So this is the sawtooth, and a triangle we can also. Yes. And let's continue again.
Sounds a lot like a sine, that triangle.
Yes, it sounds a lot like a sine, but if we'll be quiet and change it back to sine, and we will hear the difference.
Very nice.
Yes, so just I want to us to notice that you use only one quote, yes, on either side of this. This is the way you create a string in JavaScript. And you can use the double quote also, but just if you use in one side the double quote, you need to use also double quote in the other side.
Make it symmetrical.
Yes, but this doesn't matter if you use one or two. Okay, so that is all. This is how we change. You can stop the oscillator.
Stop.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. So that's it for now.
No. All right.